Hello guys, I am Jay Purani and today I am going to do an unboxing of an MI power bank which is 10,000 mAh MI power bank 2i. This is the model number and this is the order I have get from the MI store. Means I have ordered actually it on the MI store online app, and today I get the delivery of this at my house. You can see it is delivered to my house, and this is from the MI store, online MI store. And the main thing of this is I have get it fully free because I have completed the task of the MI Get apps, which is the official app published by the MI, so that you can complete the task by downloading different apps. And after a long time, I have completed all the tasks and I have ordered when I collected all the enough points to get the power bank. So I ordered it and today I got the delivery at my house. This is the whole thing which I have gotten delivery at my house. So let's open it and see what is inside it. And actually this power bank worth is $7.99 at online store, but as for me it's free as I have completed all the tasks on the Get apps of MI. So okay, so if you have also an MI phone, then you will probably see the Get apps app in your phone, and you can start collecting the coins. And once you reach enough coins to order something, then you place an order and it will just come in 1.5 days at your house, and it's fully free. I have paid nothing for this power bank, nothing, not a delivery charges only also. So it's very much beneficial for me. So now I am going to open this. Okay, I am going to unboxing this. So let's just see what is inside it. So first of all, getting off the speaker. See the seal, and here inside I have got a bill, text invoice. So okay, it was $8.99 originally, as you can see on the screen. Can you see clearly or not? Okay, it's $8.99 total amount, and I have got a coupons of $8.99 by completing my task. So this is 10,000 mAh power bank, black color, 2i model. Okay, so now I am going to place this side and going to open this. So let's use of a scissor. Don't use a scissor without that. And just open young ones. Okay, so children, don't use scissor by yourself. So I have cut it off. What should I do for it? Just throw it. Okay, now this, okay, this is something I have got on this envelope. Okay, as you can see, MI power bank 10,000 mAh, 18 watt fast charging. Okay, so it's written here: sleek aluminum casing, lithium battery, and advanced 9-layer protection. See, this is for you get when you order MI power bank 10,000 mAh 2i model from MI store. Okay, so now I am going to open this. What's inside this? Let's see. So there is a seal. First of all, for security purpose, I am going to open the seal. Okay, let's turn around. Oh, now it's open. Now I am going to open this. Okay, now it's open. It's very much excited for me. Okay, so this is very much heavy. As for me, I want to see the weight, how much it weighs. Okay, it is not here. Okay, its dimensions are there here written on the box. 14.6 centimeter cross 7.39 centimeter cross 1.3 length breadth into height. If you heard it in your so many things are so now let's open this. What I got from it. Okay, this is our main piece, which is called MI Power Bank 10,000 mAh 2i model black color. Okay now. And now with that I have also got something called USB cord. Okay. It's deep inside it. Okay, just open the whole box. Okay, this is normal USB cord as all we see in all the MI phones. So it's same as MI phone. Okay, it's pretty much easy, so that we cannot buy once it gets the package. Okay, this thing. So there is a power cord, USB cord we say, and here is our main power bank. So only these two stuffs are there inside whole box. Inside this box. Okay, there's something. Okay, we got something. This is user manual. Why do you give user manual with the power bank? We all know how to use it. Okay. This is the user manual. Get from the MI power bank. Okay. What you see. Okay. So I'm going to open my power bank. So here, open this. Wow, it looks something amazing. See this. A brand new 10,000 mAh MI power bank. Here you can see the symbol MI. Okay. There are the two USB ports, and there is one charging port, and there are 4 LED holes, so that we can judge whether it is full charge or not. Okay. Here is this black is the power button. When I opened it, this 4 lights blink. Okay. Now this is aluminum casing. It's written on the box. It's aluminum casing, and it's lithium polymer battery inside this power bank. As you can see here, it is written at the end. It's 10,000 mAh 18 watt fast charging. Okay. Now the specifications are here written on the box. Here written on the box: product name, cell capacity. Its cell capacity is 3.7 volt, which is almost 37 watt per hour. And input port micro USB. Here you can see this is the micro USB. Here one. And output port USB A. Input 5 volt 2 ampere current, and the out or 9 volt 2 ampere. Okay. Output is dual port. This dual port 5.1 volt and 3 ampere current. Okay. It's from single port. Okay. Now the net quantity is 1 unit. Here this is 1 unit only. Okay. Now 1 unit contains power bank. This is the power bank and USB cable. This we have got the USB cable and the user manual. Here it is written user manual and here we got the user manual. Okay. Here on the box the price is written as 1199, but on the MI store or in the MI app you will see the price as 899, or when there are discounts or there is a sale, then you might see the price as 799 also. Okay, of the same product. And the color here is written as black, and this is the black color. This is not whole black actually. It's some kind of maybe, okay, it's a kind of black. Okay, here it is written as from the property of mi.com. Mi. Now we are going to charge our phone from this power bank. Okay, let's see how it happens. So let's charge this tablet from this power bank. Okay, let's not try how it works. So here for power bank, I have inserted my cable, power it on. See, you can see power is on and it is blinking. Now I'm going to insert. So here, inserted it. Lock. Start charging. As you can see on the top of the screen, it's 93%. It's charging. Yeah. So this is all about my power bank. So while it was charging, we are still discussing some other stuff. That here in the user manual, here it is written anti-counterfeit label instructions. Okay, here it is written that on the power bank box, here the box, there is a scratch card. Here you can see there is a scratch card. Once you scratch it, then you find scratch the coating and go to the website written here, http://www.nmi.com/verify, to check if it is a genuine product of MI or not. Okay, here you can scratch this silver label and whatever code you got, just verify it from this website so that you can pretty much sure that it is a genuine product given by MI company to you. So let's scratch it. Okay. 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 Now here it is written as it is made in India, but it is mi.com. It's a Chinese company, so we all know where it has been made. So let's not talk about it. So in the user manual, here are some instructions or specifications and all the other stuff are written here. So we are going to read some of the specifications written here. As I tell you that it is a lithium polymer type battery with cell capacity 10,000 mAh and all that. Input 1. Okay, here we have seen that. Okay, input is micro USB and the output is dual port USB. This is the dual port one. I have it. Okay, and here in the specifications in this manual, here written as charging time approximately 4.5 hours. Okay, if you use a 9 volt 2 ampere adapter and a standard cable, and if you use 5 volt 2 ampere adapter, then charging time becomes 6 hours for this power bank. It means this power bank gets fully charged in 4.5 hours when you use a 9 volt 2 ampere adapter, and when you use 5 volt 2 ampere adapter, it takes 6 hours to fully charge. Okay, but here anywhere it is not written how much time our phone is getting charged by this power bank. So company has to write it. Okay, or company has written, but I am not able to see it. Okay, anything anywhere in this manual. So I think it's all about it. I think it's all over. See, my calculator is getting charged. It becomes 1% more. 19 from 93 it becomes 94%, as you can see, in almost 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute 1%. I think it's better for my company. Okay, so let's talk about its design. It has a matte black finish. Okay, it's not shiny, it's a matte black. Once you give it, it feels when you hold it. See, when I hold it, it feels like I have something in my hand. But when you insert it in your mobile phone or smartphone and you keep it in the pocket, it feels like you have something dramatic or something different. So storing the energy is very much great property for this MI power bank. It has a classy design, matte black finish, and all around. Okay, you can keep it in your pocket, you can keep it in your bag, by a side, or anywhere where you want it. It is a portable. Once you charge it fully, you can take it anywhere you want, and don't worry about your mobile if your mobile gets uncharged fully. This power bank helps you to charge it, I think, in half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, so this is all about this power bank. This is the product we get from this box, which I have ordered from the MI store, which comes in this label packing. Okay, and MI delivered from delivery company. So you can see the here name. Here is delivery company. It's a transport company where MI can send us. Okay, so I think it's okay. Here the weight of the product is written. It's written as 0.366 kg, means 366 gram almost. Means our power bank has a weight with its cord total of 366 grams. Okay, so I think it's not that much amount of heavy. You can take it in your hand, you can take it in your bag, you can take it in your pocket, wherever you want. It's a fully portable functionality. And as for me, as it is fully free, it's very much nice piece for me. So I love this. My MI power bank 10,000 mAh. So guys, if you want to buy this power bank now, then go to the description of the video, and you get a link. Once you click that link, you will be redirected to the Amazon page of this power bank, and from there you can place an order from an Amazon, and you get this item in your house within 2 to 3 days at your home. So let's order it and use it for your convenience. Okay, thank you, and like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. Okay, once again, thank you, and thank you for watching my video.